Alright, hello everyone, Rubik's Cube Lover 42 with you all here. Welcome back to another video. So today's video we're going to be covering the Summer Camp Event Week 3. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy today's vid. And let's get on with it. So, I still have not voted for who I am. I am on Team Jesse again. Yep, let's vote for Team Jesse. So I've just done that. Now, I just want to say I'm so sorry about the problems with the sound in the previous video. Oh, there's a beaver bear. Not beaver bear, oh my goodness. Ranger Bob. He has been around for about 5 weeks now. Hello, what do you want to help with? There's owl sculpture. So there's a hare sculpture, which I will show you all in a sec. Let's just go searching for those pesky... Let's just see. So we're going to need to get the... Okay, so here's one. Here's one of Beaver. It's his friend. Ranger Beaver. So there's a hare sculpture. Also, if I haven't already said it, Happy Independence Day to my American viewers. I hope you all enjoy today. This vid was recorded and released on July the 4th. At least in my time zone. But yeah, so, is this the same guy, or what does he want? Oh, a fox sculpture, an extra gold carp appears each day. You know, I might try and get an owl sculpture. No! Sorry. So... Okay, so there's the beavers. The Ranger Beavers. So now let's go check out the new stuff, including the new Oki box, which I will be getting 2 of. 1 to open and then 1 to keep. I always keep a gift from each event. So, Oki Wizard, Oki Knight. Oh, that's so cute! Oh, Oki is so cute! Oh, that's adorable! I want a regular one. Let's buy one, let's see, let's open this. I don't care if I get an Oki Wizard, but yeah. Okay. Oh, yay, I found him. Hi. Oh, look at him, his little legs walking. He's so cute. So yeah, now just a quick, just a quick announcement is that tomorrow in my time zone, I will be doing a 4-part video of the Grow Garden admin abuse, which should come out at approximately 12 PM my time zone, but will probably come out a little later. Just depends on how long it takes to compile and edit. Let me just say, so other than the carp sculptures and the Burger Bear and the OK, yeah, that is pretty much it. So sorry for the short vid, there just wasn't a lot to cover. But anyways, that will bring us to the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!